is working. This is Chris from Iron Pony Life. We just got done. Me and Tracy ended up with a nice ride today over in Kentucky, over by the, I think it's Big Bone Lick Park or something like that. Anyway, it's got some bison out there. We rode up to the park with our wives, took a trail, and then watched some bison graze, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Anyway, I'm on my way home now, and I can say it was a pretty good day for riding. Temperature, I think, got up to about 65 degrees in this area, and it was enjoyable. It was an enjoyable ride. No crazy drivers so far. Knock on metal. I'm not at home yet, so I've got a couple more miles there. But anyway, the ride was good. Tracy did pretty good. I mean, he knows how to ride a motorcycle, but he's still got some skills he needs to work on. I do too. We're both in the same boat. But he did fairly well today. A lot better than last time I rode with him. That's a good thing. Anyway, I'm just cruising home. Looks like some clouds coming in. Hopefully it doesn't affect our Eclipse tomorrow. We should be in the area where it's going to be it's going to hit us pretty good. Hopefully no zombies come out, and you know, everybody's in good spirits, and everything will be good tomorrow. No crazy conspiracies here. I'll tell you one thing, this Indian motorcycle, this damn thing can haul. Goes really fast, goes around the curves really good. It's got a great center of balance. Just an awesome bike. I'm so glad I have this bike. So glad I traded it in from my Indian chief. And my wife likes it too. She likes riding in the back. She does a pretty good job. See how we do here. I love it. Got a tow truck coming my way, so maybe they'll come and pick me up. Just kidding. These back roads are just terrible. Hopefully I don't hit no speed bumps, as I call it. Motorcycle speed bumps. Every pothole on this damn road. See if I can stop this route here. There we go. We're good. Just in time. A little dust on the road right there. Gonna ride around that curve at 5th gear, which wasn't bad. Thought I had downshift there for a second. I don't know what was on that fence post, but we'll look at it later. Hopefully tomorrow's weather will be good and I can take another ride. I'd like to go out to Batesville. There is a nice route up there. I call it the 1.5 Dragon. It's probably maybe 10 curves, but it's a nice 10 curves. I like curves in the road. As long as nobody, what's bad about Indiana roads is they always put them gravel on the sides of them whenever they repave them. And sometimes they don't even do that, they just put the gravel on the sides. And somebody, you know, hit that gravel, kick it up in the road when you go around a corner. And it sucks. But, it's, you know, it's very unlikely it happens, but they do it. And you'll know, because you'll see the new gravel on the side of the road. So. They do a good job trimming the fluids around here, around these electrical wires, so that we hardly ever get a power outage, which is cool. said, I love this road. Oh, got a squirrel. Got a squirrel. Get your shit. At least I haven't seen no deer yet. That's good. And I see that people are mowing the grass right, which is good. Hardly see any grass clippings on the road. Maybe the neighbors are finally figuring it out. I like some of these houses around here. Just kidding. But anyway, look at this road. It's terrible. Good thing you got good suspension. The Harley Davidson probably fall apart. Nice little curve here. Then we go straight up a hill. Didn't cross that red yellow line now, did I? It's called counter steering. Woo! This one right here is always a little sketchy. It's always got loose rocks right there. Not too bad today. All that rain has washed them out. I swear it looks like it's gonna rain over there. Oh, there's some loose gravel. Yeehaw. Not too bad, though. Sometimes there's some grass clippings out here. Oh, there they are. There's grass clippings right there. Oh, yeah. Now watch out for them grass clippings. Look like they're pretty fresh too. I hope my mic is working. Lost a little fuzzy thing on it today on the way here, or way over to Trekie's house. Forgot to plug the damn thing in. I probably forgot to plug the damn thing in this time too. Oh, it feels like it's plugged in. That's good. And we only got 22% left. GoPro batteries suck. Well, I mean GoPros. I mean, I just don't like them. Hopefully this year they come out with a new one, maybe slightly bigger or something. I don't know. But they got to figure this battery out. There's no reason why it should take that long. I mean, take that fast to just drain. Well, anyway, that's about it, folks. You guys have a nice night. Ride your ride. Go visit ironponylife.com. Buy some merch. We're here for you. I know there's a lot of riders out there that's been riding for 20, 30 years. I'm not one of them. And every day I'm learning. And what I want to do is I want to share that learning experience. And I might get grief in the forums like, hey, people should know this already. But you know what? People learn by experiences. They don't get taught in a textbook, you know, at a license branch trying to take a motorcycle license test. But anyway, you guys all have a good night. See you next time.